Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making corn dogs. Okay, so the corn in a corn dog is from that stuff, cornmeal. You can get it in big supermarkets in England, but if you can't find it, use Polenta. And to that, you're going to add plain flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. All the quantities will be down in the description below. They're your dry ingredients, so give those a good mix round, make sure everything's combined. And now your wet ingredients, so buttermilk, of eggs, little drizzle of vegetable oil, give that a good whisk, get it all combined, mixed together nicely, and then obviously we're going to add it to the dry ingredients to make a batter. This is the easiest thing ever to make. It's a bit of an American classic and really, really delicious. Kids all love them. Again, super easy to make. The batter you want to make here, you want it nice and thick. I'll show you the consistency we're looking for. So that's too thin at the minute. So we want to thicken it up slightly. So the first thing I would use to thicken it would be a little bit more of that polenta or cornmeal. And then you want to add that plain flour and just keep adding the plain flour now till it gets to the right consistency, and you'll see where we want it. You want like a really, really thick batter because it's got to stick to the hot dog. Even that's a bit too thin. There we go, we're getting to the sort of texture that we want now. Maybe just a tiny bit thicker than that, just a bit more flour. Here we go, so we need it nice and thick because it's got to stick to the hot dogs. And here are the hot dogs, these are my favourite. You get these in England. These Dino's ones, they were spicy and normal. Cheeky really, they used to come in a jar. I think you got 8 of them, and now they put them in a vacuum pack. And you get 4 of them and they charge you more than the jar. Anyway, they are delicious. These are some kind of skewers that I've got. I'm going to cut these down to size, and then carefully and slowly insert it into the hot dog, feeling along the way. And if you suddenly feel that skewer go off to the side slightly, just readjust so it goes right down the middle. If you were using smaller hot dogs, this would be way easier. And just give it a little roll just to make sure it's nice and straight, because you don't need it bent and all over the place. And now we're going to get our oil on. So that's just a sunflower oil. We're going to get that to about 160 degrees. Perfect. And now the hot dogs into the batter, just so it's sticking to the outside. Now the dream here, if you've got like a pint glass or a big long glass that you can fill with that batter, you can just dip the sausage in and pull it out, but none of my glasses seem to be cutting it. So anyway, just roll it around inside that batter so it's all covered. And then carefully get it in that oil and cook it for 4 or 5 minutes. Till it goes absolutely perfect like that. Let it drain, serve it with some ketchup and mustard and anything else that you might want to dip it into. And that's it. They're absolutely delicious, really, really simple. Lovely hot sausage in the middle, but soft, fluffy batter around the outside. Fantastic, yeah, the corn dog's an American Fairground staple. Make them at home, give it a go, a bit of fun with the kids. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.